Hi everyone, today we are going to present our business project proposal. So our project is Banafilm, which is a biodegradable film made from banana hide waste. So let us to introduce ourselves. My name is Arifin alias Pinazat. My matrix number is 08DPI24F1024.
My name is Darafida binti Rashid and my metric number is 1016.
My name is Nur Christina and my metric number is 1026.
I'm Narkisina Danila. My metric number 1061.
My name is Megan Achan Balgan. My matrix number is 1121.
First, let's see introduction. Let's talk about plastic pollution. Plastic waste is a major environment problem because conventional plastic takes a very long time to decompose. It can also pollute our land, rivers, and ocean. Next, we have agriculture waste. Agriculture produce a large amount of waste and banana huts are often throw after harvesting. However, banana hut was contain useful natural materials such as cellulose and starch, which can be used to create biodegradable products. This is where Banafilms comes in. Our product transform banana hut waste into a useful biodegradable film as an alternative to conventional plastic. It can help reduce both agricultural waste and plastic pollution. So next is our and environment benefit. For the environment benefit, it reduce agricultural waste and help reduce plastic pollution. And it also can use renewable natural resources and support our circular economy and sustain development.
So before introducing our Banafilm, there are three problem statements that our project aim to address. So the first one is poor plastic waste management. So plastic packaging is widely used everywhere because it is cheap, lightweight, and convenient. So, however, its excessive use and improper disposal can create a serious environmental problems. So in Malaysia, there are studies that have estimated around 0.94 million tons of plastic waste is mismanaged, and with approximately 0.14 to 0.37 million tons potentially entering the marine environment. So this shows that plastic waste is not only a consumption problem, but also a waste management problem. Second is the underutilization of banana agricultural waste. So banana cultivation produce a large amount of agricultural waste, including banana stem, leaf, fruit bunch stem, and banana peels. However, many of these material remain underutilized. Recent research on banana waste valorization highlight that banana biomass contains useful components such as starch and fiber, which have the potential to produce biodegradable film for packaging. Therefore, instead of treating this banana waste as something that needed to be discarded, it can be viewed as something that it can be viewed as a potential raw material for sustainable product. So lastly is the ineffective adoption of the recycle or reusable shopping bag. So although reusable and biodegradable alternatives are already available, changing consumer behavior remains a challenge. A 2024 study conducted in Bandar Baru, Bangi, Selangor found that 83% of the respondents request at least 1 to 3 plastic bags per shopping trip. And the study also found that the existing 20-cent plastic bag charge did not necessarily eliminate the plastic bag consumption, showing that policy alone may not be enough to change consumer behavior. This create a gap between knowing that plastic is harmful and actually changing everyday packaging behavior. Therefore, our Banafilm aims to address these three issues by turning the underutilized banana agricultural waste into a biodegradable film, providing a more sustainable and providing more sustainable alternatives to conventional plastic packaging. Next.
So, based on the problem of increasing environmental pollution that caused by the conventional plastic packaging, so our group decided to develop an alternative packaging material that is more environmental friendly. So, our first objective is to develop and produce a biodegradable film using the banana heart skin as the raw material. So, as you guys know in this, as you guys see in this slide, this is how the banana heart skin looks like. So we chose banana heart skin because it is a natural and plant-based material that has a potential to be utilized instead of being treated as a waste. So through this project, we want to give added value to the agriculture waste while developing a more sustainable packaging material. And so our second objective is to evaluate the effectiveness of our product in terms of the physical properties and biodegradability, which is um, this is important because producing a biodegradable film alone is not enough. So the film must also have a suitable characteristic for a packaging application, such as the thickness, strength, flexibility, and texture. So through this objective, our project is not only focused on create a new product, but also on finding a potential solution in two environmental issue, which is plastic pollution and the underutilization of banana heart waste. Next.
So next, we're going to see about SWOT analysis. First is strength, eco-friendly, eco-friendly and low-cost raw material, utilize agriculture waste, and weakness is high water absorption, limited water resistance, and required drying process. So next is opportunities, growing demand for sustainability products, potential plastic replacement, increasing environment awareness. So next is last is threats, competition from existing alternatives, raw material availability, and product safety regulation. So next. So next is to explain the strength is more detailed. Our product is eco-friendly because it uses banana hard skin, which is agriculture waste. So the film is also biodegradable, meaning it can break down naturally over time and help reduce the environmental impact caused by plastic waste. So next is another strength. It is that we make use of agriculture waste. We take banana hard skin that would normally be discarded and convert it into a useful product. So for the next is for the weakness is the water absorption test shows that the film can absorb water, which can affect its strength and performance. Because of this, the film has limited durability and water resistance, but we can more overcome it by using um, these specs. So the production process also required several stages. including blending, heating, casting, and drying, which require time and efforts. So next slide, please. So for the opportunities and threats, moving on the opportunities, there is there is a growing demand for eco-friendly and biodegradable product because people are becoming more concerned about environmental issues. So our product could also potentially replace some single-use plastic packaging, especially for suitable applications. Another opportunity is that agriculture waste can be converted into value-added products, creating value from material that would otherwise be waste. For the threats, there is already competition from existing biodegradable material and product in the market. There may also be changes in the availability of banana agriculture waste, which could affect our raw material supply. Lastly, our product needs to meet lastly, our product needs to meet product safety and packaging standard, which may create additional requirements before the product can be used commercially. Overall, our product hard skin film has good potential because it is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and makes use of agriculture waste. However, it needs improvement in water resistance and durability. That's all from me. Next slide, please.
So our project also support several sustainable development goals SDG, which is SDG 12, SDG 13, and SDG 14. So the first one is SDG 12, which is responsible consumption and production. So this is the most closely related to our project because we utilize the banana hard skin waste to develop a biodegradable film, at the same time to provide a potential alternative to conventional plastic packaging. And then the second one is SDG 13, which is we support the climate action by promoting the use of more sustainable and biodegradable material and reducing our dependence on conventional plastic. And then the last one is SDG 40, which is life below water. As we know, plastic waste can enter river and eventually reach the ocean that can cause the pollution to aquatic ecosystem. So developing a alternative biodegradable packaging material like this maybe can help the use of conventional plastic and at the same time can reduce the plastic pollution in marine system. Next.
Next is product design. So on top we have our standard carrying bag. It is made from an all natural mixture of banana hard skin, gelatin, cornstarch, water and vinegar. It is designed as an alternative to conventional plastic bag. Below we have our cookies, fruit and jewelry bag. This bag is designed to store small items as well as fresh snack. Our product has several main features. First, it is 100% biodegradable and eco-friendly. Second, it is lightweight but durable, making it convenient for everyday use. Lastly, it is safe for food contact, making it suitable for storing items such as cookies and fruit.
So I will present the estimated cost of our projects. So the materials we use include banana hard skin, food color, distilled water, glycerin, cornstarch, vinegar, and plastic board. As shown in the table, the total estimated cost for our materials is only 50 ringgit 83 cents. This includes the cost of the materials needed to produce our product. So for the lab test has not been conducted yet, so the cost has not been included in the total estimated cost. Once we conduct the lab test, we will include the lab testing cost in the total. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.